ebook that will turbocharge your journey into the world of web development. Get ready to dive into full-stack web development in 7 days, an innovative guide designed to equip beginners like you with the skills needed to become proficient full-stack web developers in just 1 week. Authored by seasoned experts in the field, this comprehensive ebook breaks down complex concepts into easily digestible chapters, providing a structured and accelerated learning path that will propel you towards success. No more endless searching and piecing together information from different sources. With full-stack web development in 7 days, everything you need is at your fingertips. Let's take a sneak peek at the exciting journey this ebook has in store for you. Day 1, Introduction to Web Development. We kick off with a solid foundation on web development, covering the basics of the internet, web browsers, and HTML. You'll grasp the structure and syntax of HTML, allowing you to create simple web pages and understand the fundamental concepts of web development. Day 2, Styling with CSS. On Day 2, we dive into the world of cascading style sheets, CSS. Discover various styling techniques, selectors, and the box model to add visual appeal to your web pages. You'll learn how to make your creations visually stunning and responsive, setting the stage for an exceptional user experience. Day 3, JavaScript and front-end development. JavaScript takes the spotlight on Day 3. Unleash the power of the scripting language that drives interactivity on the web. From variables and functions to loops and conditionals, you'll explore the basics of JavaScript. The section also covers the Document Object Model, DOM, empowering you to dynamically manipulate web page elements. Day 4, Server-side development. As we delve into Day 4, we shift our focus to server-side development. You'll be introduced to backend technologies like Node.js and Express.js, enabling you to build robust server-side applications. Learn about handling HTTP requests, routing, working with databases, and creating APIs. Day 5, Databases and Data Management. Day 5 shines a spotlight on databases and data management. These are essential components of any full-stack web application. Dive into the concepts of relational databases, SQL, and NoSQL databases. You'll gain the ability to design and interact with databases effectively through practical examples and exercises. Day 6, Building dynamic web applications. On the penultimate day, we bring together front-end and back-end development to create dynamic web applications. Learn the art of handling form submissions, implementing user authentication, and managing sessions. By the end of Day 6, you'll have a solid understanding of how all the pieces fit together. Day 7, Deployment and beyond. Finally, on the last day, we explore deployment and further learning. Discover hosting options, deploy your web applications, and uncover additional resources for continued growth as a full-stack developer. We'll also share valuable tips on portfolio building and job-seeking strategies, ensuring you're ready to make your mark in the industry. In conclusion, Full-Stack Web Development in 7 Days is a remarkable ebook that condenses the core principles and practical knowledge of full-stack web development into a concise and structured format. By following the step-by-step approach laid out in the book, aspiring developers like you can acquire the skills necessary to kickstart your careers in just 1 week. Embark on this incredible journey towards becoming a proficient full-stack web developer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grab your copy of Full-Stack Web Development in 7 Days today, within just 7 days. If you're interested in purchasing this book, you can find the affiliate link in the description below. By using this link, you won't incur any additional cost, but it will greatly support our channel, Error Genie.